Welcome to day 30, Joy to the World. This was written by Handel. It starts with a scale at the beginning, starting from the top note going down. Again, we're using the high C, and there's a B natural this time. So make sure you're practicing low then high. It's great scale practice, but it's more fun because it's a song. So I'm going to give 3 counts, 1 count of rest, and then we'll come in with the melody. And then I'll play the harmony second. You can play the harmony while I play the melody, or whatever you want to do. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Harmony. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for playing Joy to the World with me. If you happen to have the music that I have and are using my music, my binder that I wrote, I actually ended up changing the harmony. If you're looking and going, wait a minute, that's not the same note I'm playing. I changed it for 1 measure in the 4th measure because I'm hearing the melody in my head and I'm harmonizing along with it, and I'm not practicing these, I'm just playing them off the fly. So my brain was telling me to harmonize differently at the time. So that's part of the improv part of music that you can start to do. The more you read, the more you practice, the better you get, the more fun it becomes. So joy to the world, happy holidays. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button, as the boys say. Coming up next are 30 days of scales and 30 days of note reading, and probably 30 days of pieces of music or songs, depending on whether it is a song which is sung or whether it's instrumental only. Thanks.